Hey everyone, this is Ian and you're watching Mr. Dark. So let's begin with a video. First of all, you need to press Shift A, add object, a cylinder, and scale it to the normal surface. Yeah, just like this. Scale it. Before that, if you're new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on a notification on. Press the bell icon so that you can get every new tutorial on your phone. So let's scale over here and okay, that's it. We just need to come down over here, color material, and just add a new color, and surface, add a emission surface, and just change the color to green, whichever color you want, and strength I will make it up to 8. And just go to the render properties and click the bloom button. Click on bloom and it's finished. Now go to the rendering mode and just see it. You can even increase the strength if you want more glow in your object. So I will go in the world setting and change my background into black so that it will get a clear effect. Okay, here is the final effect. So you can see you can increase the glow, the color material, you can increase the strength, color, whichever color you want, and you can change the object. I used a cylinder, you can even use a cube, a circle, a sphere. So yeah, here is the final result. And thanks for watching my video. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and put on a notification on so that you can get every new video.